In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use templates here in Canva. Now, if we come over to the home page here in Canva and come over to the left-hand side, we can see templates. Now, we can search that way, or we can also type in the type of template that we want here within the Canva search bar. For this example, we're going to go over to templates. If we click on there, we can see we have lots of different categories up here, with it being pink, blue, food, Valentine's, birthday, collage, green, and many more. If we look down here, we can see recommended, presentations, social media, video, print products, and more. We can also search through these just here by clicking on this little arrow. There's also featured collections, featured topics, from creators you follow. So if you follow a creator here on Canva, that's going to show up just here, and you may like, along with many more. If we look over here on the left hand side, there's business, social media, education, video, marketing. So depending on what you're looking for will depend on how you filter through here on the left hand side. Now, once you've found a template that you want to use, we can simply click on that template. So let's go with this one just here. Then, as we can see, if we look down, we're going to get lots of similar templates related to said template. If we take a look, we can see there's really nice ones. Now, to customize this template, all that we have to do is click Customize this template, and it's going to open in a brand new tab like this. Now, if we come up to here on the left hand side where it says Design, we can see Recently Used and all results just here. So if we find a different one which we like, we can simply click on that. Let's go with this one, and it's going to change that template. Now, to edit these templates, if we go back, everything is fully customizable. So we can come in, we can change the fonts. So if we come up here to the font's name, we can choose the font that we want to use. We can also click on any graphics within the template, and we can delete them or add our own by coming over to Elements just here and choosing what we need. We can also change all of the wording, so we could change bingo to party or anything that we want. If we want a different template, again, we can come to Design, we can go back, and we can use this search bar. Let's say we wanted social media. We can then type that in, click Enter, and we're going to get all of these social media templates. Now let's click on this one, and we can replace current page or add as new. If we click on Replace, we have now replaced this template. And again, everything on this is going to be fully customizable. So that's how you can easily use templates here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.